Bagoo.
I'm Ed the Hungry Car, and I eat everything I see.
Oh, look, it's Ed.
Hola!
Hi, Ed.
What's that?
Circle.
Circle goes around and around.
Lovely!
Triangle.
3 sides.
Square.
4 equal sides.
Rectangle.
More of that, please!
Pentagon. 5 sides.
Tastes like guacamole!
Hexagon.
6 sides.
Fancy!
Octagon. 8 sides. Like a stop sign.
Trapezoid.
Luscious!
Diamond.
Oval.
Subtle flavors!
Star.
Zesty!
Heart. Hearts are for love.
That's enough for me! Adios, everybody!
See you later, Ed.
See you next time.
That was fun.
What does zesty mean?
It's kind of like savory.
What does savory mean?
I'm not sure. Like tangy?
Maybe.
For more Blue Bagoo, click the subscribe button.